Daja Hao. Hello everyone and welcome back to Lindsay Chinese Online. I am your teacher Wang Lao Shi. Wang Lao Shi, and that's Teacher Wang in Chinese. Now that you have learned Chinese pronunciation, consonants, vowels, and tones, it is finally time to start speaking real Mandarin Chinese. And if you have missed those lessons, you can check out the previous videos and start practicing your Chinese pronunciation today. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to say hello, introduce yourself, ask someone's name, and respond naturally in basic Chinese conversation. At the end of this video, there will be a mini dialogue that you can listen and see how much you have learned, how much you understand, and can engage with. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by learning how to say hello. The most common way to say hello in Chinese is Ni hao. Now let's break it down. Ni means you, singular, and hao means good. So literally, you're saying you good or you good. In my country, you good is actually a form of greeting. So we have this expression in common. Ni hao. Ni hao. Very good. Now you will notice ni carries the third tone and hao also carries the third tone. When two third tones come together, the first one sounds like the second tone in natural speech. So instead of having ni hao, which is a bit difficult and doesn't sound natural, we have ni hao. So say after me one more time, ni hao. And there you go. Now you can say hello in Chinese. Ni hao. In Chinese, greetings can be casual or formal. For casual, there is one very common one, and that is hello, hello, hello. And you hear that a lot these days. Hello. And that is just an informal borrowing of the English word hello. Then we have ni hao, which we just learned. That is more casual and informal. Why is that? That is because ni is the informal version of you and is normally used for friends, family members, and people who are younger than you. So when you hear ni hao, it implies some degree of familiarity. For formal greetings, we have nin hao, nin hao, and that's formal because nin is the polite or formal form of you, singular. And this is used to address elders, people you respect, and is used oftentimes in professional settings. So we have for casual or informal, ni hao, and for formal greetings, we have nin hao. Now let's move on to asking, how are you? To ask, how are you in Chinese, say, ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Let's look at the structure of this one. Ni means you. Hao means good. And ma is a question particle. Adding ma to a statement turns it into a yes or no question. So literally, 你好吗 is asking, are you good? And then naturally the answer would either be yes, I'm good, or no, I'm not. However, when someone asks 你好吗, the response is normally in the positive. So you'll hear 我很好, 我很好, or simply 很好, followed by the tag question 你呢, 你呢, asking, and you? So 我很好, I am fine, I'm doing well. 你呢, and you? Or simply 很好, 你呢? Very good, and you? Then the reply would be, I am also fine. 我也很好. 我也很好. The word 也 means also or too. So I'm also fine or I'm good too. 我也很好. So let's run through what we've gone through so far. 你好, hello. 你好吗? How are you? 我很好，你呢? I'm fine, and you? 我也很好. I'm also fine. Let's continue. Now we're going to look at saying your name in Chinese. To say your name in Chinese, use this pattern. 我叫. Repeat after me. 我叫. Let's break it down. 我 means I or me, depending on whether it's the subject or the object, but in this case, the subject. So 我 means I, and then 叫 is the verb which means to be called. So again, literally, 我叫 means I am called. So for example, if my name is Jack, I say 我叫杰克. My name is Jack. 我叫杰克. Or literally, I am called Jack. So let's practice the pronunciation one more time. 我叫我叫 and your name. And that's how you say your name in Chinese. Now, to ask someone their name in Chinese, you'll say 你叫什么名字? Again, 你叫什么名字? Let's look at the vocabulary and the structure of this question. We have 你, which means you. Then we have 叫, which is the verb to be called. Then we have 什么, which is the question word what. And finally we have 名字, which means name. So word for word, it is saying you are called what name? But of course we don't speak like that. We ask, what is your name? 你叫什么名字? Repeat after me. 你叫什么名字? Very good. Now, how to say nice to meet you? You're introducing yourself to someone. One of the things you might want to say is nice to meet you. To say nice to meet you, use 认识你 很高兴. Let's go a bit slower. 认识你很高兴. And again, let's break it down. 认识 means to know, not to meet. To know. Then we have 你, you, 很 very, 高兴 happy. So it's like you're saying happy to know you. 认识你很高兴. Repeat after me. 认识你很高兴. Very good. And the reply would be 我也很高兴认识你. So again we hear the word 也 which means to or also. 我也 I too 很高兴 I'm very happy. 认识你 to know you, which is nice to meet you too. 我也很高兴认识你. Very good. Now we're going to play a dialogue, and I want you to listen carefully and write in the comment section how much of it you understand just from going through this lesson. Let's go.
你好，
你好，
你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，我叫杰克，你叫什么名字？
我叫丽丽，很高兴认识你。
我也很高兴认识你。
Great job. Now you can greet people, introduce yourself, and ask someone's name in Mandarin Chinese. Keep practicing these sentences out loud until they feel natural. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and let's grow our Chinese learning community. And I'll see you in the next video. 再见.